in the black glass sky, feet on fire, eyes dry. Didn't come here to feel, just to move, just to heal. She drank in my left hand, right hand in the air. Don't care. Friends lost in the smoke trail, name tags, old pain, old prayers. You spin by all slow motion, glitter stuck to your cheekbone. Didn't plan this collision, didn't plan you at all. Love, don't be afraid. We were strangers yesterday. On this starry floor, we're brave. Let it happen, let it stay. Didn't come here looking, but you found me anyway. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Your laugh cuts through the chaos, like it knows me from before. You ask what's your real story, I say I'm still keeping score. Your hand slides into my hand, heartbeat louder than the room. All my careful plans collapse and making space for you. Love, don't be afraid. We were strangers yesterday. On this starry floor, we're brave. Let it happen, let it stay. Didn't come here looking, but you found me anyway. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Maybe this ends at sunrise. Maybe it writes a whole life, but right now under this skylight, I'm not running, I'm not hiding. Love, don't be afraid. We were strangers yesterday. On this starry floor, we're brave. Let it happen, let it stay. Didn't come here looking, but you found me anyway. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Music thinning to a whisper, your head resting on my chest. Didn't think I'd ever get here. Didn't think I could say yes.